Today we are making physics magic experiment. So let's start. First we have to put water in the first beaker. Then we have to put 2 red drops in the beaker. Then we have to stir it. Now I will put 2 scoops of citric acid in the flask. Now I will add 2 scoops of baking soda in the same flask. Okay guys, now I will shake the flask well. Now I will pour the red color into the flask.